everyone, it's Nancy. It's Sunday afternoon and we're going to do a little bit of crafting. Just a couple of quick projects. We don't like to get too involved. Sundays are a fun day. So you might remember seeing this wooden whale that I got. He is a wall, piece of wall art that some little monkey has colored with pencil. And I got this at a rummage sale yesterday. Paid a whole $1 for him. Got my tea too. Good tea. So I'm going to paint him white to start, and my preferred brand of chalk paint is Annie Sloan. So I don't know if you've ever seen these before. So these are to lift your project off of the surface so that you can do edges and not get them stuck to the surface of where you're painting. With chalk paint, I like to put it in another container because chalk paint can get kind of chunky. I don't know if that's the word I want to use, but yeah. So we'll probably do 2 coats, just quick ones. And there is a special Annie Sloan brush, but you know, for a project like this, let's just use a sponge brush that we can throw out when it's over and done with. I don't like a lot of cleanup, to say the least, especially when it's Fun Day Sunday. So I'm thinking about doing a quote. I'm not sure. My daughter-in-law had a couple of suggestions. The Google Foo is strong with this one. She sent me a couple of suggestions. But I will work on that after this painting part is done. While I've got the white paint out, I've actually got a couple of things that I'd like to paint white, so we might as well do that. Alright, so let me get on with this and come back and show you what the next step is. We're back again. So the Mod Podge is all dry, and now I'm going to go in with a color to paint these words. So I've just got a little bit of this, it's rich black chalk paint. I think I got this at Michael's or something. And I'm only going to use a little bit. So I've got this empty can. Just going to put a little splotch on the top there, because that's all I'm going to use. No sense wasting it or dipping my brush in and getting it all gross. So just go in and paint off all the letters, and when it's dry we'll peel off the stencil and go in with some sandpaper to distress it a little. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. The vinyl stencil. You cannot reuse these, unfortunately. But there's something very satisfying about peeling them off. Oh. So Michael's had Cricut stuff on sale this week, with the exception of, you know, the heat press and that kind of stuff. That was all still regular price, but tools and vinyl, that was all 30% off. You can't, and well, at least here, you can't use coupons on any of the Cricut stuff, which is unfortunate, so you have to watch for a sale. But I also had a gift card. One of my students gave me a gift card for Michael's today because she knows I'm a bit of a crafter, so that was cool. I got to use that. So I bought some vinyl, I got some new blades, and oh, I got some long, the 24-inch long mats. Okay, so now I've got a sanding block, and I'm just going to rough up this, just to knock it down some of the edges a bit. And then go around the edge of the whale itself, and that's bringing up some of the underneath the blue stuff. I prefer to paint outside for just this reason, but it's not fit for man nor beast out there today. So I'll just use a damp cloth to wipe up the dust. I like that the blue is showing. That's gonna look really good, the rest of the decor in the room. Okay, I'm just gonna rub down a little bit. See how that's brought up some of the color underneath. We'll do a couple more pieces where the paint's a little thin. Yeah, see how some of the white's showing through under that black leather? That's exactly the effect I'm looking for. Don't want it too shiny, shiny. Ah, look at that. Nice. I want it to look weathered. Okay, that's looking pretty darn good. You probably saw me pause a little bit because the M right there, fix that up. Now it looks like it's supposed to be like that. And all right, so I need to wax this now to finish it off. I'm gonna pause the video now so I can get to work on that, but I will be back to show you what it looks like.